Do you want to know the secret to telling if your baby is hungry before they're a crying disaster? Of course! Well, thanks so much for joining me here at the Baby BFF. I'm Dr. Candice, and today we are going to talk about 3 different things. Number 1, why you shouldn't wait to feed until the baby is crying. Number 2, how often do newborns need to eat? Finally, the secret way babies tell you they're hungry. And I'll give you a hint. This is silent. So let's go ahead and get into it. Number 1, why you shouldn't wait to feed until the baby is crying. Well, it's going to be much harder to feed an agitated and crying baby. It's going to add stress to your baby. It's definitely going to add stress to you. That is for sure. So there are techniques that we can use to anticipate when our baby is hungry so that we don't have to get ourselves in that situation in the first place. So that's the next question. How often do newborns need to eat? Well, that really depends on if they are breastfeeding or if they are bottle feeding. If they are breastfeeding, typically newborns eat about every 2 to 3 hours, okay? And sometimes more often, especially when they are trying to increase your milk supply, they may actually eat every hour. Yes, every hour, okay? And if you're bottle feeding, formula does hold babies over a little bit longer, so you can expect to need to feed a newborn usually every 3 to 4 hours if you're feeding formula. Now, breast milk is more easily digestible, so again, if you actually are feeding through a bottle and you're feeding breast milk, you're still looking at that about every 2 to 3 hour range that they need to eat, but 3 hours is a safe bet. So number 3, how can I tell if my baby's hungry before they start crying? So let me let you in on some secrets, okay? Babies have a secret way that they tell you they're hungry and that they're getting hungry before they even say a word. So let's talk about it. Babies are going to use something called hunger cues, and they're hoping that they're going to use their body language to help you pick up on the fact that this baby's going to need to eat. Okay, so this is what this looks like. Your baby might be sleeping away. They're sleeping away, looking so peaceful, and you're thinking, they're just sleeping. They're fine. They probably don't need to eat right now. Well, what they will start to do is they will start to wake up and arouse, and they're going to start kind of moving their heads back and forth. They're going to start moving their mouth like this. They are going to start bringing their little hands to their mouth. So one thing that you can pick up on, and you will notice if you pay attention, when they start bringing their hands to their mouth, they start moving their mouth and they start moving their head around and start kind of squirming. That means that they are getting prepared to eat and they are hungry. So this is when you want to feed your baby. You do not want to wait till they're crying. You do not want to wait till they're screaming, especially if you are breastfeeding and trying to latch your baby. It is going to make it very difficult and very frustrating if your baby is screaming and upset. So take a note of their hunger cues when they start moving their head around, when they start lip smacking, and when they start bringing their hands to their mouth. They are letting you know it's time to eat. So I hope you learned something today. Thanks so much for joining me at the Baby BFF. I'm Dr. Candice, and we'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe.